Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in this part we're going to color calibrate our image. And as you can see here we've got PCC and color calibration. We've got two ways we can do this. We can use either photometric color calibration or color calibration. For this series, I'm going to use color calibration, and later on, or in the next part, I will do PCC. So let's use color calibration, and the reference image for the white, we're just going to leave it as the whole image. Modules are pretty good at picking out what it needs to consider what the white is. You'll see some other tutorials where they'll have you make a preview and only select the whitest part of a star or the galaxy excuse me, and go from there. But when I use PCC, or when I use color calibration, lately I've just been letting it pick its own and it works pretty well. But we do need to do a background reference. So we need to find a spot that's representative of our background. And it looks like this one might be a good spot right here. So I'm going to hold the control key and scroll in while hovering over that. And that looks like a good area. So we'll just do a preview. And again, all I did was just come up here and do a new preview, or we could do Alt-N and then drag and drop our box. And now we have our preview right here. So we will tag that as our reference image for the background. So all I did was click on the locator here, and then I select preview 1 from the RGB image from the drop down and hit OK. And then we'll just drag and drop onto the image and we'll see how it does. Okay, so as you can see, we had the output white reference mask and output background reference mask selected, so we end up with these two extra images. Our background is roughly representative of our preview. We can close that out. And our white reference mask, it picked up a lot of the stars and used that. So we will close that out. And let's delete. Actually, I'm going to leave that preview there. No, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Never mind. So if we undo that change and then redo, you can see that this softened up a lot. But what we need to do is, now that we've made a change, we need to undo the map or stretch and then redo the stretch. And now if we go and undo it and redo it, you can see we change a lot of this from a reddish tint to a greenish tint. And we'll correct that later. But it looks a lot better. This is a lot softer and we get a lot more dynamic color in here. This one was quite reddish, purplish, and now we've got a more natural look to it. So that is it for color calibration. So I want to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.